How to use WeChat Wallet without Chinese bank accounts. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your WeChat app from your device. Once you're done launching your app, make sure that you are logged into your WeChat account. Then tap on Me icon at the bottom of your page. Then here tap on Help and Feedback at the last option. In here again tap on Send Feedback on the last option in the middle section. Once you do so, you will be leaded toward this site. Now go ahead and tap on to choose your platform and select your reason. Once done, select the categories and at the description below, write your issue. If you have any kind of specific screenshot, you can add that by tapping on to upload a screenshot at the bottom of the description box. Then under WeChat account box, type in your WeChat account. Also add your email address that is associated with your WeChat account, then choose the means through which you would like to be contacted, if it's email or your WeChat. Once done, tap on to submit at the bottom of the page. Then all you have to do is wait for the WeChat email and it will guide you through which you can solve your issue. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more helpful contents like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button to never miss an update from us.